Blueberries, June the 22nd, 23rd. The blueberries are starting to come in, starting to ripen up. Got some new carrots, beets, the next strawberry bed, last of the strawberries. We got a few on the left. These strawberries have been renovated. You've had your hair cut, trimmed, weeded. Eggplants, they're just waiting for the right weather. Some cauliflower in there. Onions are ready to start used. Lima beans, a lone big tomato, lettuce coming up, ears. Another strawberry bed has been renovated, hair cut and thinned out. Later corn crop, some more lettuce. First corn crop, knee high now. Peas, these are the sugar peas. Start picking them tomorrow. Green beans, string beans, whatever you want to call them. Got some marigolds in there to help control the bugs. Another cauliflower. Short peas. Butternut squash growing on a rack. Tomatoes just starting to bloom. And another cauliflower. Asparagus is done and sleeping, growing, getting ready for next year. A few peppers down here. They're starting to bloom. Not doing much. Here in the potato patch. Potatoes have been blooming the last couple of weeks. Some delicata squash, they're like a butternut squash but smaller. You can actually eat the rind. And of course, zucchini. Their garden would be the same without zucchini. And that's it for